Hey y'all, I'm James Wright and welcome to my shop. Today we are making a burr. This is a very traditional one. It's a 6-piece burr and you'll find patterns for this all over the internet. I'll have a link to these on my website, so if you want to find those out, you can find the link down below. But enough talking, let's actually get to building. For this project, I've got a piece of white oak. Yes, I know, white oak. I know, I've never used white oak before, have I? But we're gonna have a little bit of fun with this. Now, I really only need about 6 inches of this stick, about 3 inches wide, to get all my pieces out of it. This is a good chance to use some scrap that isn't good for much other things, because you can quickly and easily pull all the little pieces out of just a small segment. So we're going to jump into this. We're going to start cutting out the pieces and then doing a little bit of the joinery. So let's dive in. Oh shoot, someone forgot to turn on the microphone. I guess without audio, this is really unplugged woodworking. So now that all the pieces are cut and basically identical in every shape and size, I want to start doing the joinery. Now I have these plans that I found online, a really nice straightforward set that I'm going to be following, and I would be telling you about here, but unfortunately my microphone is still off. Oops. So let's use a marking gauge and lay out all the lines shown in the plans, and then come in with a saw and cut down. Now we're going to treat these basically like dovetails, as they're just a chop out and they're straight edges, so they're a little easier than a dovetail even. Cut down the sides, come in with a chisel, pop out the waste, and rinse and repeat. Each of the pieces is a little bit different. Take your time, follow the plans, and you'll be surprised with what you can get. Let's make some happy little wood chips. Oh, thank goodness. We finally figured out the microphone is unplugged. Then means on this side and this side. That's what I'm looking for.
Oh, that's what I did wrong. This one's upside down. And this one goes like this. Yeah. We have a toy. It is all done, except for it's not done yet. We want to do some finishing touches on it. It goes together, but it's a bit tight, and you have to wiggle things around. I like how it doesn't fall apart very easily, so it's a solid piece. But we're going to shave off all the sides just a little bit, put a chamfer around the end, and get ready for finish. So let's smooth it out. This one goes here. And this one goes here. No. So there you have it, a rather simple project you can do with hand tools. It's a lot of fun just to quickly whip out in the shop. Most people can make one in the afternoon. And I'm thinking I'm going to do a few more like this with other sizes and more pieces and other combinations. So hopefully we'll be seeing some of those come in the future. And if you'd like to actually do this yourself, I have plans available on my website for free. So you can find more information on that in the link down below. So that's about it for today. Hope you liked it. And until next time, have a wonderful day.
A truly puzzling project.